Hello everyone, I am Dr. Balakumar, Senior Consultant Vascular Surgeon from Apollo Spectra Hospitals, MRC Nagar, Chennai. Smoking has a very direct effect on venous health. Smoking normally has more than 1,000 toxic agents in the tobacco, which can affect various parts of the body, and most important part to affect is the veins and the arteries. Smoking induces a lot of carbon monoxide into the circulation, which when it affects the venous endothelium, causes destruction of the venous endothelium, which is the inner lining of the vein. So carbon monoxide destroys the inner lining of the veins, thereby causing venous blood to clot and also the veins to get destroyed. So smoking has a direct effect on venous health. It can cause clot, it can cause destruction of the vein and induce more varicose veins. As far as alcohol is concerned, though it doesn't affect directly on the venous health, but it affects organs like most importantly liver, because it causes destruction of the liver cells, thereby causing the venous flow inside the liver to get stagnated, which in the longer run, years later, gets reflected into the legs and also the other organs of the abdomen. So alcohol affects liver, thereby indirectly affecting the venous health. Alcohol also affects the nutritional status of a person, thereby causing a lot of protein loss, causing muscular weakness, thereby decreasing the ability of the muscles to push the venous blood towards the heart. Number 3, alcohol also causes increased heart rate. Whenever someone consumes alcohol, even though they don't realize it, the heart rate becomes more because of the changes which alcohol induces. So more heart rate, the chances of venous blood from the leg to empty into the heart, the time also decreases. So increased heart rate decreases the venous return from the peripheries into the heart. So these are the indirect measures wherein alcohol affects the vein health. So avoiding smoking and alcohol becomes one of the very important measures someone should take to maintain the venous health. Thank you.